Hi guys, so welcome to another video. We've got Dave in the chair today, having his new system fitted. Now, this one's going to scare him. We've now gone for 50% grey at the front and kind of all on the temple areas as well. So he's going to look a bit badgery, but, and you'll see this later, his hair around the back and sides, his glandular hair, hasn't got that much grey in it, a little bit, but not too much. So it's going to be quite a dramatic sort of, really grey front, bit darker, less grey around the back and sides. Your binoculars on. Right, so let's roll on the system now and see what we got. My favourite bit.
It's just nasty.
Right, just applying the glue now. Right, here we go, Corella de Vil. Or is it Mad Dog Brown off of, actually, no, yeah, not white enough for that. Off of Back to the Future. But yeah, look at that beautiful natural hairline. Right, so look at that. Look how good that is going to blend when it's been cut. Right, so almost finished. Just finish the top bit off with scissors. So you liking the 50%?
It's looking good.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking really good, looking natural. Seeing as though these hair systems last quite a long time as well.
Has anyone got any poly filler that I could borrow? Crack-a-doodle-doo.